Okay, we got the USS JOS and the USS Revenge en route to the USS Ajax for assistance. Oh, that's a mouthful. Computer, please contact USS Ajax. Commodore Boom. Priority 1 communications.
Commodore, picking up communications from Admiral Bullshank. Priority 1.
Admiral Bullshank is calling me now? I'm got a lot of things in my mind right now. Well, put the Admiral on main viewer, please.
Hi, Commodore. On screen.
Commodore Boone, hope you're well today. Just want to inform you that 2 Federation starships are heading your way. USS Revenge, USS JLS. Everybody knows that the Romulans are in your area. They are ordered to assist you.
Thank you, Admiral. That's great. 2 ships on the way? Cool. Thank you very much. We do have them on sensors. First Officer Sparks said that he had a faint signal. So I'm assuming that's what's coming in. We're hoping that's what's coming in. Those Federation starships. So, thank you very much, Admiral. Great thinking.
Darn right, it's a good idea. Commodore, God bless you and your crew. Take care. Admiral Bullshank, out.
Commodore Chuck Boone, out.
I hear something. I hear Admiral Bullshank bitching. What's he bitching about? Oh, man. I can hear him from the other room. He's bitching like crazy. Man, oh man. What are you bitching about, Admiral?
Let's see here. Let me check and see if I got everything done for today. I called Captain James. I called Captain Gray. Even called Commodore Boone. I also called Commander Bullshank, my son. But I still need to call Admiral Shepard, tell him what's going on. Computer, call Admiral Shepard.
Admiral Bullshank's call answering now.
Hello, Admiral Bullshank. How are you today, sir? I am Admiral Whitey. Thank you for the report that I just got that you sent to me about the 2 captains that you have assigned. I see you assigned Captain James to the USS Revenge and Captain Gray to USS JLS. That was smart. That's a good idea. Good going, Admiral, sir. Yeah.
Wait a fracking minute. I was calling Admiral Shepard's office. You were Admiral Whitey? Huh. I didn't know anything about this.
Well, Admiral, maybe you wasn't aware of it or not, but Admiral Shepard is on vacation right now. And when he's coming back, it might be springtime. We ain't too sure. But Starfleet decided to assign me to his office, so everything will keep on going smoothly, then I can learn everything from you, sir, Admiral Bullshank. That'll teach me how to do everything as an admiral should be doing.
Well, thank you. I am flattered. I will help you much as I can, try to teach you everything that I know.
Well, thank you, Admiral. I appreciate it. You put me under your wing a little bit. We'll get along pretty good here. But, yeah, I want to get back to work here and get more Admiral stuff done. So, thank you very much for checking up on me. You have a great day, sir. Admiral Whitey, out.
Thank you, Admiral Whitey. Admiral Bullshake, out.
Romulan vessels, this is USS Ajax. Please respond. Please tell us what your intention is in this area. You're in violation of Romulan Federation Treaty. Please respond.
Comms, have you heard anything from the Romulan vessel?
Not yet, Commodore, but I am monitoring all channels.
Comms, you didn't get no reply from the Romulan at all.
No, Commodore, not at all. Not a peep.
This is getting triple-dipple interesting. Comms, please open up a channel for me to that Romulan vessel out there.
Yes, Commodore. Opening hailing frequencies now.
Romulan vessel, I'm Commodore Chuck Boone, commanding USS Ajax. We've been trying to contact you. What are your intentions? Please respond.
Commodore, I'm picking up Ferengi vessels. 2 of them. I'm also picking up real faint identifications of 2 Federation starships heading this way. I'll continue to scan and give you more information as soon as I get it.
Say what? There's 2 Ferengi trader ships out there? Wow, this is getting to be interesting. Can you tell me why they're there? What their intentions are? Comms, give them a call too. Find out what their intentions are.
Yes, Commodore. Ferengi vessels, please respond. What are your intentions are? Please respond.
Commodore, now I'm picking up 2 signals, clear signals. 2 Federation starships. One is USS Revenge. The second one is USS JLS. And they're coming in at warp speed.
Commander, thank you for the great news. Yeah, USS Revenge and USS JOS inbound? Alright. Yeah. Comms, when they get in range, tell them to box that Romulan in.
This is USS Ajax. Attention, USS Revenge and USS JLS. Commodore Boone wants you to box in the Romulan ship as soon as you arrive. USS Ajax, out.
Comms, have you heard anything from the Ferengi vessels?
No, Commodore. Not a peep at all.
Oh wow, look at that! They're boxing in Captain Pinko! Oh no! Boy, he ain't gonna go anywhere. There's 3 Federation starships right up his keister. Ha ha! Wow. I wonder how he's gonna get out of this one, huh? It's gonna be interesting to see how he gets out of this one.
Yeah, really. Look at that, Father. Wow. He's got caught by the Federation ding-dongs. All 3 ships surrounded him. By the way, Father, I've been checking out the data that we got, and I tell you what, it's not what you think. They put some kind of patch up. I didn't get any kind of blueprints, anything that we're trying to get here at all. So there is nothing that we got. All we got was just a blank data.
Are you sure about that, Sci-Fi? We don't have anything at all? Oh no, I transmitted that to Captain Finko. Oh, he's gonna be up my keister now. Oh no. Oh, crap. I wish you would have detected that earlier. What kind of patch did they put in there?
Well, Father, it does not tell me who made the patch at all, but I tell you what, It was a brilliant patch that they put on there. It was something that blocks any kind of recording. Did a heck of a good job making that patch.
Oh yeah, I'm playing with my communicator. Oh yeah, look at this. Well, that's just great. That's just great. Guess we won't make any gold press latinum around here. But that engineer probably made some good gold press latinum doing that. What would they come up next, really?
Father, quit playing with your toys. You might go blind. You never know.
Commodore, picking up message from the Romulan vessel. He finally answered us.
Oh, really? The Romulan captain decided to answer the call after we've been hailing and hailing and hailing, and they decided to hail. Why did they decide to hail? Because there's 3 Federation starships up there, Keister? Well, let's not keep the good captain waiting. Comms, please open a channel to that Romulan vessel.
Commodore, button on screen.
I am Captain Finkel of the Romulan bird of prey, Moose Jaw. How dare you to surround my vessel with Federation starships? What is the meaning of this? I have navigation error that I got into your Federation space. Why are you boxing me in?
Well, Captain Finko, did you get any kind of data from the Ferengi that's out there?
No, Commodore, I didn't get any kind of data or information from the crazy Ferengis out there.
Captain Finko, I highly recommend you to go back to Romulan space. You are in violation of Romulan Federation treaty.
Yes, Commodore, I know all about the treaty. My computer is fixed and I'll be leaving here momentarily. Thank you for your warning and cooperation. Captain Finkel, out.
Captain Finko, have a safe trip back to Romulus. Cancel red alert. Comms, please contact Captain James of USS Revenge and Captain Gray of the USS JLS and give them my special gratitude and thanks to both of them. Now, on to our other many journeys that we will have. Well, there goes Captain Finkel. He cloaked, and hopefully he's leaving Federation space to get back to Romulan space. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. I'm being held by Captain Finkel. Oh, no!
How dare you send me bogus information? There's nothing here. I will get you, Ferengi.
An old Earth expression. A nickel holding up a dollar. Let's see what's on the schedule for today. I do know that Captain Mark is by my planet, Wolf Planet that is, and they are talking about signing up with the Federation. And it kind of looks like that's what's happening. So, Captain Mark, you're doing a great job. Get the Wolf Planet to sign up. That is great. That is great. There are many benefits to be with the Federation. We get to get on starships, go through training, become an admiral like me, which I'm a little fuzzy on the admiral stuff, but Admiral Bullshank said he's going to help me become a better admiral, so that's good. That's good. And also we have Captain Gray on the USS JLS, commanding that starship. So he gets to get out there and bold adventures of find out what's going on out there. Seek out new civilizations to boldly go where no wolf has gone before. The Wolf Planet is located at Wolf 359. But I do want to congratulate Captain Mark of the USS Crytex that the Wolf Planet has signed with the Federation. That is terrific. That is terrific. Now, on to our other adventures.
I have a letter here from Commodore Boone expressing his gratitude and thank you to Lieutenant Commander Preston Cisco for coming out with the patch for the computers to stop any other recording in the Federation Starship's computers. That way that our information in the computers are solid. They won't be going anywhere at all. They will stay in the computers where they're supposed to be. Recommendation for Lieutenant Commander to Commander as soon as possible. I'll run it through the board and see what they say. So, congratulations to Lieutenant Commander Preston Cisco for doing a great job on that patch. Thank you very much for saving the Federation and all the Starship computers. Thank you very much.
Thank you for a great season. Keep watching Commodore Productions. Never know what you're going to see.
Merry Christmas from Commodore Productions.
There's two Fringy ships out there? I didn't... Is that what you was trying to get earlier when the beeps, the bleeps, the beep, 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 beep.
Alrighty, think we got it. That's the worst thing to get off is the head that's underneath.
Show your rank. Show your rank. Yeah.
Commodore Duke Shecker. Damn. Let's try it again. Damn. Where'd that come from?
Seriously? Flag. Flag, flag.
Thank you, Commodore. Jeez.
Hello, Admiral Bolshevik. How are you today, sir? I am Admiral Whitey, and thank you for the report. I see that you assigned Captain James and Captain Gray to start that over again.
Thank you, Commander. That's great news. That is really great news. Yeah. And we forgot our lines. Oh, boy, another blooper. And a dog was making noise anyhow, so it worked out. Hey, James, remember, or Jay, get your ranks up. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Commander. That's great news. USS JOS and screwed up. That's great news. Yeah. Don't know what we're going to say after that. That's great news. Yeah.
Try to make a little different voice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.